could I find a scholarship for a school or university? Yes, so getting scholarship is like always a huge and a big topic for international students or anybody that wants to apply for a student visa. They always, that specific subject of can I apply, can I qualify, can I get scholarship, that comes up. And of course, you can find schools, universities that actually let you qualify, or they issue or they give you funds or scholarships, or you can apply for it. However, that applying needs to be based on your specific, basically being qualified for it, right? That's the word that I was looking for. So you need to be qualified for a scholarship, obviously, in order to apply for a scholarship. That does not mean that you are going to get a scholarship even though you're qualified. Always think about it like this. Many people across the world are applying for a student visa for United States, and many of them do qualify for a scholarship that they want to come in and they want to enter the United States and get a scholarship or funding for their school. So if you have basically the same qualification as everybody else does in the world, maybe those people that do qualify, why should the university choose you rather than others, maybe hundreds, millions, maybe 100,000s, 10,000s, other same people? Let's say if you have the same GPA, same academic background, same financial situation, everything, what else can you provide? What else can you do in order for the university to say, you know what, we have 100 applicants that have the same criteria, but I'm going to give the fund and scholarship to that person, right? So always think about like that when you want to apply for a scholarship. Anything that you can do in order to help it, that would be wonderful. So having a GPA is a must. It's a given. You have to have that to even be considered among with other people. Having a good background academics is a must. You have to have that in order to be considered. Having maybe standardized tests such as TOEFL, IELTS, GRE, GMAT, other things university is looking for is a must. You have to have those in order for the university to consider you. But what happens after that is your perhaps CV, your resume, what you have done in addition to the academic background in the in the past, such as maybe you volunteered for an animal shelter, maybe you were leading a non-profit organization, maybe you helped a certain organization to achieve something, maybe you were speaking at a seminar. Anything that can help you to put you above the average basically application, that could help you in order to secure maybe a funding or scholarship if it is available. So that's the first step, is qualification, obviously, and then after that is more what you've done more. And specifically to find out specific universities or schools that actually give you a scholarship, there's no such a thing that you can just go filter, I only want schools that give me a scholarship. You have to evaluate each school based on your own specific criteria, based on what is a fit for you, and then after that take a look to see if the university in your department, in your specific field of study, in your major, in your requested items would actually give you a scholarship, and if you qualify, and then you go through the application process. And always remember, you have to apply for an admission first in order to be considered for a scholarship or a fund. You cannot tell a university school, I will apply at your school only if you give me scholarship. That doesn't work like that. So you have to go through the application process in order for the university to also evaluate your application for a fund or a scholarship.